Hello folks, this is gonna be my review of the Fuumuui 11-piece professional paintbrush set that I got from Amazon, which currently retails for 28.99 Canadian. Just for disclosure, I'm a beginner in painting and will be reviewing this product from that perspective. So right now, as you can see, this is the actual brush set as it was delivered to me. Nothing fancy, but I was actually surprised to have received it in an actual case. Um, I was just buying it for the brushes themselves, but I don't think I read somewhere if it's gonna include a case. So let's go on ahead and unpack this. Right. Um, I think it's a pretty sturdy box actually. Um, Something close to an iPhone box, I believe. That's cool. Now let's see inside. Right, so these are the brushes. Mm, that's cool. Very cool. Let's see. So these are hug bristles. Let me just put up that item on my screen so I can read it for you. Alright, so it's Chong King hug bristle. Um, so it's not a synthetic type of brush, which I was looking for, because I will be trying my hand on some model kit hand painting, and after some research, I believe I will need some actual non-synthetic material to do a pretty decent job. So let me just open. So how many brushes are there? So it was like 11. So that's one. Alright, that's two. I can already feel this one is tight. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be, but alright. So this one's pretty soft right here. I think this is the biggest one. F2, it says F2. Let's see if you can see it right there. Right, F2 Fuumuui. So it's pretty soft actually. I don't want to unpack it just yet, because I'm not gonna be using this. So this one as well, it's actually very. I don't know if this was supposed to be how it is, but it's very hard. Okay, I'm starting to get worried here. Alright folks, so I had to pause the video just to look it up, and yeah, it's actually commonplace. Well, not commonplace, but it's to be expected from new brushes. The stiffness is supposed to come off. It's a water soluble glue, according to the article I just read. So yeah, crisis averted. Well, for me at least. But yeah, so I had to rinse it out with warm water, and it's still wet. But yeah, I think it feels a lot better now. It's soft. So this one, the one that didn't have a glue, I guess. I think there are some bits, some parts of it that I felt earlier that I said maybe synthetic, maybe they were just covered in glue. Um, I'll have to wash it off later after this. But so you see the size comparison here for the biggest um, non-rounded. I don't know why I kept saying a pointy. But yeah, the non-rounded brush, this is the biggest one that comes with the pack. You know what? Let's spread it out so you guys can see it much better. Alright, so let's see here. So this is the one that I just rinsed out, still wet. And this is the next. I think it's better to remove the cases because I don't think I'll be doing a refund for this set and anymore. I had to learn that. So still stiff, of course. So this is the biggest one of these rounded brushes. I don't know what the difference is. I guess like the type of strokes, if I'm to guess. Um, Again, so like in terms of brushing, paint brushing, the closest I've ever done to doing that is well, I guess painting the house and some watercoloring when I was younger, but mostly for painting around the house. All right, so as I've said, so this is the entire set, 11 pieces. So two of these normal brushes, I guess, if you could call it that, and these rounded ones are four of them, and then there's these pointed ones, five of them, with varying sizes. All right, so while I was unpacking these brushes, I was thinking about how these brushes felt. So far, I don't know if it's gonna change over time as the like I said, the glue wears off. I'll need to do some. See, there's already some of them that's hmm, some of the hairs are falling off, but not so much. I think just one or two. I don't know if that's gonna be a deal breaker for you guys, but that's how it is right now. So yeah, I was thinking about the closest part, closest comparison I can think of to these brushes. So like I said, for house painting, those are types of brushes. I think they're a little bit, I don't know. I think they're a softer, I guess. The texture is much different because that's probably because I've been using those house brushes or like synthetic, I guess. I never really paid attention. But yeah, so these are the brushes and this is the case. Sturdy, like I said, as hard as the an iPhone case. I don't know if it's gonna last long. Anyway, I'll have to think about my brush storage after this. But yeah, so there you go. There you go, folks. So that's the again that's the Fuumuui 11-piece brush set from um Amazon. And if you, I hope this video is helpful to you if you're planning on buying this set. Um, Again, this comes as this is advertised as a natural hog bristle material. Um, I don't know if it is because like I've read some stuff online saying that there are some brushes that's close to like synthetic brushes that's getting very close to the natural feel that you are looking for. Again, thank you for watching this review. I hope it was informational, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.